How to update JustMarkets application to its latest version. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're looking to update the JustMarkets application, then here's how you do it. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now in the search bar, type in JustMarkets and search. From the search result, look for the JustMarkets Trade and Invest application, this one over here, and look if there is an update button available. If you see the update button, tap on it. But if you see the open button instead, you're already using the latest version of the app. Tap on the update button if available and wait while the latest version downloads and installs. While doing this, make sure you have the stable internet connection. So right after you do that, you'll be able to download the latest version of JustMarkets application. Keeping the app updated helps you enjoy the latest improvements and smoother trading experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.